I got screened in from 31 SSB as well as 32 SSB from Kapurthala. See, it was in this was when I got screened in from 31 SSB, and my chest number is I think my chest number is 16 in 31 SSB, and in 32 SSB, which I went in January recently, my chest number was 12. So in January when I went in Kapurthala, it was COVID times. Certain protocols, certain things which we guys need to follow at that time. I will be sharing that what exactly you have to do when when you are reporting to Kapurthala during the COVID times. First and most important thing is COVID negative certificate. This is the most important thing, and make sure that it is 48 to 72 hours old from the reporting times. That is very important thing. They are strictly checking that, and those candidates who are coming to Kapurthala from Tamil Nadu or Kerala, Tamil Nadu, southern part of India, they just make sure that whenever you are reporting, the COVID negative certificate is 48 to 72 hours old. The document, they are checking the document very strictly, and you don't have to worry about accommodation. The gurudwaras, state gurudwaras are there. You can stay there, and all the candidates, most of the candidates who report to Kapurthala SSB, they stay in Gurudwara. All the facilities are perfect. But thing is, during the COVID times, there are certain things which they have devoided us that you will not be getting, because this is a second wave going on, and they have strict measure. Although I got to go when the cases were declining. In January, the cases were declining, but now the cases are still spiking. So when I went there, the cases were declining. So certain thing we were not given. First thing is, we were not given any blanket we were given, but the mattresses we were not given. We were not given any mattresses, pillows. We were not given any pillows and mattresses. So you have to carry your own pillows and mattresses. Okay, mattresses, it's not it will be not feasible. So you have to manage yourself. The boards, I just uploaded a certain video where I have shown the 31 when I went in January. I have shown a video. I have uploaded a video, so you just watch the the beds which were given in the COVID times. The beds were plain, no mattresses were there, and you have to manage yourself in that. Although some students brought their own this the kambals which they carry in trains, they were using that. So you can either carry that, but during the summer times it's not feasible. So you have to think about something where you can sleep accordingly, right? You will be not provided with mattresses and blankets. You have to carry your own blankets and pillow if possible, that sleeping pillow. If possible, you can get that. Second thing is, no internal facilities like anti-room, which are there, anti-room, gym facilities, no sports were given at that time. Nothing was given. No uh, internal games were also not provided, like this chess, badminton, whatever you ask for. They will not be giving any sports. Even the anti room, where it was the most happening thing in Kapurthala, the anti room, we were also not given that anti room. So friends will be there, U30 will be assembled in that. Before that, your means, as you know that in morning and in the evening time, they do the countdowns. So your body temperature will be checked in morning as well as in the evening time. And so you have to maintain, just make sure that just eat healthy, and means make sure that you don't fall ill or anything. Although there is 24 hours medical facilities will be given to you. You have to report to your JCO, and they will give you the medical facilities. And see, when we were around, see, I'll be sharing my experience, like When I got there for 31, this 32 SSB in January. In January, when we reported nearly around 250, and out of which 24 were selected. So we 24 were isolated from the rest of the groups, and the documentation process. Once you get screened in, the documentation process is so lengthy, and filling that documents, you have to fill your PIQ, and there are certain forms else, which you are you have to fill in at that time. So it took, means it took like, we when we got the result, it was around 2 o'clock, and by the filling of, means by the end we filled the form, it was 7 o'clock. When luggage was given to us, it was already 7 o'clock, and cell phone was given to us. Those screened in candidates, cell phone was given to us at 7 o'clock, and we informed our parents at that time itself. So you have to just tell you, those already, those candidates who get screened in, means just notify your parents that if I don't call by the 2 o'clock, by 2 o'clock or 12 o'clock, then just assume that I got screened in, and by 7 o'clock I will be informing. So no need to worry about that. Okay, so just inform your parents about that, and means you don't have to worry about the mess facility is actively working, although there are some restrictions in like this non-veg. If certain students who are eating non-veg, they will be binded to only means if they will be binded to only one, or they will be capping in that amount. So that is the only thing, but all the facilities, all the entire internal facilities are totally not given during that time. What I saw in January, and you all know that COVID spike is there, so there will be more strict facilities, more strict action will be taken during this time. And I went in January when the cases were declining, so certain laxity were given, like you can roam anywhere around your campus, outside your living room. You can go outside, you can roam around, but ensure that your mask, you are with your mask and gloves, face shield always on. But at that time we were given laxity of this gloves and face shield, but this time we will not be given any laxity, any such thing. You have to cover yourself always with your face mask and gloves. It's a strict action, strict measure will be taken against those candidates who will not be following this COVID guidelines. Say, and rest the board is perfect. The board is nice. You just go and give your SSB, right? So these are the things which I needed to inform you guys related to this COVID times when you are giving SSB. So just follow these guidelines. Just ensure that you carry your water bottles, and water bottle also. Water bottle is most important thing. You have to carry your own water bottles and photographs. You will not be allowed to go anywhere outside. You will be allowed to stay in the campus itself, right? So just ensure that whatever means the instructions, whatever is there in the instructions, like carry your own photographs, carry your own bed sheet, carry your own extra pairs of no laundries will be given. Carry your extra pairs of t-shirts, gloves, whatever whatever you will be wearing inside the campus. So just ensure these things. Carry an extra pair with you. Every facility is banned during this COVID times. Carry your own books, so that you can invest time positively in reading. You don't spend, see, students will be there who will be means luring you to invest your time in just doing stupidity. So it also happens, it's obvious in SSB. So but try to invest your time positively in reading books. Carry your own books. Newspapers will be given, so you can invest your time in the newspapers. You can read newspapers there. Newspapers will be available to you all. Newspapers will be given. This is the only one facilities that will be given to you, and rest of the facilities. So whatever is given, whatever things means are mentioned in the instruction, just stick to that. and just bring every documents and every thing whatever is given in the instruction. Just be ready with that. Okay, even try to bring extra pairs of that. Okay, so rest all those candidates who are appearing, who are going to 31 or 32 SSB, this Kapurthala, all the best to you. Thank you.